Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Jessica here with us this morning, and Jessica drove all the way up here with her husband from McAllen, Texas, which is what, 5-6 hours away?
Yeah. Yes.
Yep. And we're going to go ahead and analyze. I've already done her orthopedic neurological evaluation, so we're just going to recap some of that for you. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me. Jessica gets a lot of neck pain and headaches. And back to neutral. Take a deep breath in, let all your air out. Now, as you can see, her head's kind of forward and looking down. That's the main problem she has, is forward head posture. And I can tell she's a side sleeper because of how her head's forward and it's turned down like that. And that's the way she sleeps most of the time. And her head's translated to the right of center a little bit. That's why her right hand looks a little longer than her left one, even though it's not. She's got more space here on this right side than she does here, so her pelvis is translated over to the left, head's forward to the right, so guess what's going on in between there, a little curve. So we're going to do our very first chiropractic adjustment ever today. Alright, let's have you lay on your tummy again, Jessica. Put your face up in here. And all you got to do is breathe and relax. You get the easy job, okay? There you go. I'm going to take it easy on this. Her left leg is short by over ½ an inch. And then her left leg gets longer when I bring it up. So that tightens up in her low back and pelvis there. It tells me that her left SI joint's out right there. And she said that was sore. So you're going to feel that popping up just a little bit here. Adjusting her left SI and the left sacrum. Now I'm adjusting her right SI and the right sacrum, and now the center of the sacrum. And then I'm going to get on L5, straight P to A here. L4, L3, and then I'm going to work my way up here. Okay, just keep breathing normal. Good girl. Yep, crackhead's going to love you. Okay, just relax. Okay. You can go feel your head popping up a little bit on this next one here, Jessica, so just relax. C3, 4. C5, 6. Now she's got a reversal of her cervical curve. There we go. C7. Let's turn you on your back now. That's why we got that paper down there. We got ladies' makeup. There we go. Okay. There we go. Good. Now slide down this way a little bit. And let's put your arms straight out to the sides. Straight out like this, like Jesus. Yeah. Okay. Just her shoulders, her clavicles, then her interior ribs. There. Okay. Now just relax your hands on your tummy. Okay. Let your leg relax in my hand here. There you go. You should have felt that in your knee all the way up to your low back. Same here. There we go. Good job. Okay, let's sit you up and face toward Joseph there now. There we go. You're just noisy all over, huh? It's like a bowl of Rice Krispies. I'm just pouring on the milk. There we go. Now the one that's going to help you the most is still yet to come. You know what that is, right? A ring dinger. Yep. So let's come over here and we're going to get our first ring dinger under our belt. Under your belt, I've got a lot of them. Okay, let's go ahead and lay on your back there. Okay, yeah. We'll slide down this way just a tad right there. This is going to feel tight. Supposed to. Just relax. With your pelvis laying flat. There you go. Just let your legs relax and bend. There we go. Okay. Nice deep breath in. Keep your teeth together and relax. There you go. Just like that. Yep. Now you should have felt that all the way down.
Yes.
Did you? Good girl. Well, you didn't scream near as loud as a lot of people do. That's good. You did good. And just let your head go in my hand. There you go. That's why we call it ring dinger. I'll let you tell all the people how your very first one felt. It's a little bit of a shock initially, but after it starts settling down, it'll calm down and feel a lot better. Okay, let me help you up sideways. Bring your legs over and sit up sideways. There you go. Okay, let's come over here and stand in front of the mirror now. And I'm going to have you close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards again. Neutral. Yeah, now see your head's not as far forward over to the right now. Take a look. See, that's better. Hold these up and back. Here's your homework right here. Flare these back like this. And we're going to bring your head straight back. You're to the right, so we're going to go exactly opposite of that to the left. Now look backwards. You're going to feel a little tap right there. You're going to feel another little tap right there. Okay, now relax again. And bend your head forward and backwards again. This should feel smoother to you. Back to normal. Did that feel better? Take a look in the mirror right now. You're much straighter. Good. So Jessica, what would you tell our YouTube fans about your very first chiropractic adjustment?
Come and do it.
Do you feel better?
Yeah.
Okay. Is this worth the trip for you?
Yes, it is. I never thought I would pop so bad.
So much.
So much, yeah.
It's all good. All those are good. All that is a nitrous gas bubble that explodes in the joint space when you open up the joint space. I'm not cracking any of your bones, not fracturing anything. Is your headache better?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Well, thank you for sharing your experience with everyone. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.